Well, I've been visiting Experimenta since I was a young artist, and so to be included is absolutely fantastic. And I remember seeing my first Experimenta show in 2006, which was Vanishing Point, which was at the Newcastle Art Gallery, and I remember just being absolutely blown away. And so that was sort of that moment where I just kind of went, wow, you know, this is cutting edge new media work, but work that really engages an audience. And so to actually finally be included in Experimenta is just an absolutely fantastic honour. This work is actually part of an ongoing series that comments on my engagement at the Institute of Health and Biomedical Innovation, where I was working with cell lines which was originally derived from a bone cancer lesion of an 11-year-old girl called Alice. And so this work is sort of talking about when I actually had the cells become contaminated by a fungus in the lab, which meant that I had to dispose of all of the cells. And that was initially really horrible because I had to sort of get rid of all of the work, but it was a way of preventing further infection. And that process actually did sort of, while initially devastating, get me thinking about how you could actually think about contamination as really more of an unexpected encounter that has creative potential. So actually looking at the fungus under the microscope really got me interested in microbiology, and that's where I sort of ended up making sort of work that incorporated that as part of the creative process as well. And so this work for Experimenta actually incorporates an agar phase component that contains the SARS-2 cell DNA that will grow up different bacterial and fungal colonies for the duration of the exhibition. And so it also links a little bit to the idea of how DNA isn't a fixed code, but really open to change through gene switching through the exposure to different environments as well. And it also includes, of course, a video component, and that video component links to the origin of the cell line, and then also again this idea of the contamination, and then this kind of creative proliferation.